Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create a professional YouTube banner using OpenAI Chatgpt. If you need creative ideas, catchy channel slogans, or ready-to-use banner concepts for your YouTube channel, this simple guide will help you design one quickly and easily. Now let's get started. On your OpenAI dashboard, we just need to click and start typing our request. For example, can you make me a professional YouTube banner for kids who love to travel and explore? Once we finish typing, we simply press enter and wait for the results. Now, we let ChatGPT do its work. Let's wait while it generates the result. Now, here is the result of our banner. We just need to download it. Once it's downloaded, go to YouTube and upload it as your banner. Sign in and upload the banner. After uploading, we now have a professional banner ready for our YouTube channel. Now we know how to use ChatGPT to generate creative banner ideas. With the right prompts and a little customization, we can create a banner that truly represents our channel.